Flat Ethernet cables ensure reliable high-speed connections, save space, reduce tangling, and are ideal for neat, flexible network setups. My today's video is about top 5 best flat Ethernet cables review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jadeo Cat 6 Ethernet cable 50 feet. The Jadeo Cat 6 Ethernet cable delivers exceptional performance at a Cat 5e price, making it a cost-effective choice for high-speed networking. Built with 30 AWG 100% bare copper wires and RJ45 gold-plated connectors, this UL-listed cable ensures minimal interference, stable connections, and universal compatibility with PCs, routers, switches, NAS devices, printers, and VoIP phones. Supporting Cat 8 and Cat 7 standards, it offers up to 250 MHz bandwidth and 10 gigabits per second speeds, compatible with fast, gigabit, and 10 gigabit Ethernet networks. Its UTP design maintains signal integrity while reducing noise, ideal for demanding data environments. The cable's unique flat design allows for seamless installation along walls, corners, or even under carpets, creating a clean, professional setup without tangling. Bundled with 20 cable clips, it eliminates the need for additional accessories, enhancing convenience. Waterproof and durable, is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile and reliable solution for modern networking needs. Now our second product is Cable Matter's 10 gigabits per second snagless Cat 6 Ethernet cable. The 25 feet Cat 6 Ethernet cable is a high-performance networking solution designed to deliver reliable, fast, and secure connections across a wide range of LAN devices, including PCs, servers, printers, routers, and more. Built with the 24 AWG bare copper core and gold-plated RJ45 connectors with strain relief boots, it ensures durability, minimal signal loss, and long-lasting performance. Leveraging advanced Cat 6 technology, this cable provides higher bandwidth at a Cat 5e price, supporting up to 550 MHz and future-proofing networks for 10 gigabit Ethernet. Fully backward compatible, it works seamlessly with existing Cat 5 networks while providing superior wired connectivity compared to wireless solutions. Its robust design also supports Power over Ethernet, PoE, PoE+, powering IP cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points efficiently. Ideal for demanding applications like cloud computing, HD streaming, video surveillance, and server operations, this cable guarantees consistent performance and secure data transfer. For optimal installation, carefully measure your routing path to ensure the 25-foot length accommodates walls, furniture, and equipment, providing a perfect fit for any setup. Our third product is Billing to Cat 8 Ethernet cable. The Cat 8 Ethernet cable is engineered for ultimate performance and durability, making it perfect for both outdoor and direct burial installations. Its heavy-duty, double-shielded design minimizes EMI and RFI interference, ensuring stable, long-distance connectivity. The waterproof anti-corrosion PVC jacket allows safe outdoor use while maintaining reliability indoors. Featuring thick 26 AWG conductors, this cable delivers faster, more stable data transmission than standard 32 AWG options, supporting high-performance home networks, gaming setups, smart homes, and data-intensive applications. Its F/FTP shielding with 4 foiled twisted pairs and 26 AWG OFC conductors enables hyperspeed performance, supporting bandwidths up to 2,000 MHz and data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. Ideal for low-latency gaming, 4K per 8K streaming, and high-speed internet. The Cat 8 cable comes with shielded RJ45 connectors compatible with routers, switches, IP cameras, modems, gaming consoles, servers, and smart TVs, while also supporting Cat 7, Cat 6, Cat 5e, and Cat 5 devices. Weatherproof and UV-resistant, it withstands extreme conditions and includes 18 months of support plus lifetime customer service, ensuring long-term reliability. Now number 4, Ugreen Cat 8 Ethernet cable 6 feet. The Cat 8 Ethernet cable delivers blazing fast network performance, supporting up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 2000 megahertz bandwidth. This makes it ideal for gaming, 4K per 8K streaming, and data-heavy applications, significantly improving upload/download speeds, video quality, and overall network responsiveness. Engineered for stability. The cable features 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs, F/FTP, a pure copper core, and gold-plated RJ45 connectors, minimizing interference, noise, and crosstalk for a consistently reliable connection. Its durability is exceptional, wrapped in a premium cotton-braided cord, tested to withstand over 10,000 bends without damage, ensuring long-term use in demanding environments, supporting power over Ethernet, PoE, on all lengths except 65 feet. This cable powers compatible devices like IP cameras without the need for separate adapters, enhancing safety and convenience. With universal RJ45 connectors, it offers wide compatibility with computers, laptops, routers, modems, PS5, Xbox, and more, while remaining fully backward compatible with Cat7, Cat6e, Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 networks, making it a future-proof solution for high-speed connectivity. And our last choice is Vobogu Cat8 Ethernet cable 1.5 feet. The Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers ultra-high-speed networking with bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and data transfer rates reaching 40 gigabits per second. Built with 26 AWG pure copper conductors, it ensures faster, more stable, and reliable connections compared to standard 32 AWG cables, making it perfect for streaming HD videos, gaming, music, smart home devices, and high-performance LAN networks. Equipped with dual-shielded RJ45 connectors, this cable is fully compatible with all previous Cat standards, Cat5, Cat7, and a wide range of devices, including routers, IP cameras, gaming consoles like PS4/Xbox, NAS, VoIP phones, smart TVs, and more. Its robust construction features 4 shielded twisted pairs, aluminum foil and mesh shielding, and a UV-resistant PVC jacket, making it weatherproof, anti-aging, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. Even direct burial. Designed for demanding applications like AI smart products, enterprise LANs, and data center connections, this Cat8 cable minimizes interference and lag. With dedicated 24/7 customer support, it provides a reliable, high-performance solution for modern networking needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.